Yeah. Well, almost seems like it's trying to brighten up. Oh, this is wet already. Yeah, let's get out of there. I was wondering about the cracks in the wood there. Yeah, I gotta readjust the tone in the cracks. See how that looks. Probably gonna land it out in the grass. Yeah, went playing with it?
Yeah.
Oh, this isn't good. We're gonna set her down. Woo! That wind was kicking her right there.
A little breezy there, isn't it?
Okay, well we'll get some footage here.
That's right.
T-Rex safely in Kent's lawn. Good breeze. Oh, that's cool, man. That's the nicest lawn I've seen with that waterfall.